Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Josh. So today, guys, this is part 2 of opening our DIY fidget packages. So my friend made these, and I just want to give a shout out to the person who inspired me to make this. On my For You page, I saw this cool gift idea thing, and I wanted to do it, and I wanted to make little fidget packages. So this is part 2 of opening our DIY fidget packages. So, you ready? Open these. We already opened these, you guys. Open these, and now we are going to be opening this one. It has 2 candies, and then 2. Okay. Let's just take a look at that illustration. Just take a look. So, looks like, guys, these are little like candy things. I saw those before. A lollipop. Ooh, an ice cream sundae. Another lollipop. Smiley face. Looks like. Ooh, okay. Here comes a fidget. All right. We all know that there won't actually be a poppet in here. We all know there won't be a pop tube in here. And yeah, guys. All right. So, guys. Ooh, let's feel all of these first. Let's feel this. All right, guys. This isn't that like squishy. This one like is not as squishy. This one looks like it's kind of leaking, except it's not. It's actually pretty squishy. So let's open it. All right, guys. Let's go get some of the scissors. Get the scissors. So then we can cut them. Yay! Alright guys, so we got the scissors. Now let's go and cut them. Alright guys, this is gonna be super fun. Let's cut them. Oh guys, be careful with scissors. Have parent supervision, or if you're old enough, like maybe above 8 or 7 or 6, you can play with scissors. Alright, let's open our candy wand. Alright guys, let's open up our candy wand first. Oh, I didn't want to open it. Alright. Turn the handle on. Alright guys, let's see what we got in the first candy package. Candy wand. Oh guys, this is a little Hershey Kiss. I got a piece of gum, so that's cool. We'll eat this later. Because right now, if you guys don't know what Muslim is, I'm fasting, so I can't really eat. Alright guys, let's open the last package. Open the last candy package up. Alright guys. Wait, did I cut it? I don't think I did. No, I did. Yeah, I did. Wait, I'm not crazy. Ooh. Oh, same thing. Oh, like Hershey Kiss. Hershey Kiss. And some gum. So that's cool. Let's go on to the fidget part, guys. So this one looks like it has like a little poppet. So let's get cutting. Cut it. Oh my god. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ooh, what is that? Let's see. The allowed. Oh, this is a little barbell dash. A homemade barbell dash. This is a little homemade barbell dash. Comment below if you want me to do a DIY barbell dash, because these are so cool. They're actually very good. They're literally like barbell dash. Alright guys, let's go on to the next fidget. Inside, let's open the last fidget. This was actually pretty squishy, so I don't know what it could be. So guys, Let's see. Oh my god. This is our little fidget. It's a little mochi. I don't know what to call this mochi. It looks like a little, blue little thing with a little pancake on it. Or her. I don't know, except I'm gonna call it a little him. So cute. Alright guys. We're going to put everything on top of what we've added. So, we get the brush on top. So, yeah. We are going to put those in the garbage after. And we've got this. So, yeah. Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. This was part 2 of opening our fidget packages. AKA they're homemade, so I'll do a tutorial how to make them. So yeah, so that was the first one, second, and then finally third. I'll be making some more, guys, so don't forget to stay tuned. Bye. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye, guys.